Good evening, YouTube. It's about 10:30 at night. I'm choosing to do this video now because tomorrow is a busy day for me. I've got a bunch of stuff going on, and I got these parts in the mail. Well, parts, quotation mark. It's a throttle lock for the KPR, or cruise control, for those of you who have not heard of what a throttle lock is. And I'm going to be putting them on now because, again, busy day tomorrow. I'm actually going to be riding. These came a month ahead of that schedule, but these don't have the ad in front of me, and I don't believe they're branded on the actual part, but Sinkees cruise control. So basically, I'm going to show you how they work. So, a lot of the big name brand throttle locks, cruise control, go over on the bike right here or right here, and there's a switch on them. And they're around $100, at least for the brands I've seen. I've only seen a couple, literally one or two. So I didn't really like that. It was very cluttery around here on something that's already very cluttery. You have your kill switch, you know, your brake, your loss of words here, brake fluid thingy. So, and as well, I have my phone mounting here. Last thing I wanted was another thing cluttering that area. So I found these. They're about $35. Seem to be very good quality, and basically how they work is it replaces this plastic piece on the end, and when you're riding, see, they're locked right now, but basically this red piece moves the way my thumb's going, and it turns in and pushes pressure on the throttle and holds it. Well, my overhead light died on me, but basically here's how it works. All you have is just this simple twist. When you're up to the speed you want, it twists in. Now, mind you, I only have one hand because I'm filming, but it screws in, locks it in place, and you can still just kill it if you're going too fast and you need to slow down quickly. It's actually pretty nice compared to the stock ones that are there. I'm impressed. I can't wait to try it out, and I'll let you guys know how it goes.